Hey there, foodies and curious souls. Today, we're diving into the latest food craze sweeping the UK, Japanese milk bread or Shokupan. But it's not just about the bread, it's a cultural phenomenon that's taking the culinary world by storm. So grab a slice and let's explore why this soft, sweet, and strong trend is dominating our social feeds and supermarket shelves. First things first, what's the big deal about Japanese milk bread? Well, it's all about the texture. This bread is like a cloud in your mouth. It's got a fine crumb, a lightly sweet flavor, and a golden brown crust that glistens with melted butter. But it's not just about the taste, it's the experience. Imagine pulling apart a freshly baked bun, revealing a soft, fluffy interior that's almost like a cloud. It's a sensory delight, and that's why it's gone viral. Now, let's talk about the viral moment. Japanese milk bread has been making waves on TikTok, racking up millions of views and comments. But it's not just a social media trend, it's a culinary journey that traces its roots back to the 20th century. Modern Japanese milk bread evolved as bakers adapted European techniques to local tastes, creating a unique blend of strength and softness that's now captivating the world. But why the sudden interest in Japanese cuisine in the UK? Well, it's not just about the bread. It's a reflection of a growing appetite for Japanese flavors. Supermarkets are seeing a surge in sales of Japanese products, from ramen paste to soup paste. And it's not just about the convenience, it's about the experience. Japanese cuisine is all about presentation, aesthetics, and social media, and milk bread is a perfect example of this fusion. Now, let's talk about the chefs and restaurants that are embracing this trend. Black Bear Burger in London is serving up smash burgers and crispy fried chicken in soft milk buns, creating a cult following. Bun House in London's Chinatown is showcasing Cantonese-style baked milk buns with both savory and sweet fillings. And outside the capital, chefs like Thomas Gormley at Cardinal are using milk buns because of their versatility and ease of preparation. But what makes Japanese milk bread so special? Well, it's all about the technique. The key to its unique combination of strength and softness lies in the udane and gluten development. It's a bread that can be made quickly and easily, which is a win in the kitchen. And it's usually less butter-heavy than brioche, making it cost-effective and menu-friendly. So how do you serve Japanese milk buns? Well, Tim Anderson, a MasterChef winner and restaurateur, recommends natto toast with fermented soya beans and melted cheese. Or go classic with an egg sandwich. For a twist, try a peach and tomato sandwich with nut butter and jam. And if you're feeling adventurous, add some bacon, lettuce, and tomato with Kewpie mayo and thick-cut streaky bacon. In conclusion, Japanese milk bread is more than just a food trend, it's a cultural phenomenon. It's about the perfect blend of taste, texture, and presentation. So the next time you see a tray of freshly baked milk buns, give them a try. You might just discover a new favorite snack or a culinary adventure that's waiting to be explored. Thanks for watching and stay curious.